Oh, nothing.
Ha! Ha ha! The two Musketeers!
Amazing! Where did you come from?
Austin!
I mean, in the name of the Empress!
You are under arrest!
Oh, yeah? On guard!
Look where you both in the Empress's dungeon, Musketeers!
You are no match for the two Musketeers!
Ha ha!
Ha ha ha! Hey, a third Musketeer!
Oh no! We are no match for three Musketeers!
On guard, guards!
Who's that? Well, she's not a Musketeer. We don't even know her. You are excellent with the sword, madame.
Merci, monsieur. Ha!
Your sword is... Hey, where'd they go?
They're gone.